All right, it's day 2, early in the morning, this time 5:43. The sun should be popping out here soon. It's rather dark right now. Should be a good day. All right, this is day 2. I'm just cleaning everything up as it's getting ready to storm. Literally, it's been a pretty good, well, there goes the tarp. Good timing, I'd say. Better now than 6 hours ago. Yeah, so this is day 2 working on this topper. I started just before 6 this morning, and I've probably spent, I started just before 6 this morning. It's now just before 8 tonight, so that's about 14 hours. Take out breakfast and lunch and a few breaks. I probably spent about 10 to 11 hours working on this today. Very pleased, made a lot of progress. Obviously, here's what it looks like sitting on the truck. I think it's awesome. Here's how it sits. I got the windows framed in, the skylight cut out. It's a little off center because I'm gonna put the solar panel, 100-watt solar panel right there. But man, I just love the idea of this camper topper because, I mean, look at how much space opens up underneath and how much weight you reduce from not having to build a wood box down here. And a thicker one at that too, for a thicker floor walking on it and whatnot. You don't need it. You just clamp the sides down to the truck and you're ready to go. I am stoked about this camper. I got these pieces all done. So this large one is my bed, 30 inches wide. And that one is what was left of this sheet of plywood to make a second person bed inside. This is the top portion of the door, and this is the bottom portion of the door. Those two pieces are gonna hinge here, the top portion being smaller, the bottom being larger. And I'm hoping with the way I designed it like that, it will allow me to be able to open the door enough when my motorcycle is on the hitch carrier, because once that's on, I still want to be able to access like the fridge, or if I need to throw in a last minute item before going on a trip, I want to be able to access that. So I've come up with those two boards, and I had to piece 2 of them together to utilize my scraps the best I can. But yeah, so I'm excited to show you it all, what I've done. And the coolest part is that this is only day 2, and I'm done with all of the construction. All of the wood construction is done. And I've even sanded as well. Now all I need to do is caulk, paint, and install the windows, the skylight, the solar panel, and clamp it down, and we're off and running. This has been a very fast building project, and I'm very pleased with how it's turned out. Of course, this is the first one of this type, a topper, that I've done. And as usual, I've already got more ideas of what I could do building a second one. Stick around because who knows? We might just build a second one out there in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Hope you have a wonderful day.